So here's the finished product. Guzzler 500. New gasket kit was $29 with shipping from Marine Sanitation and Supply. It was bust out the bottom. You can see the fix there. Just glued it in. And I've made some repairs. All stainless. Bought the kit. The gasket kits, there's a gasket in here, here and here. Made these runners. It's going to sit this way up, over there in the corner. And I'm going to have a threaded tube come up and screw through the deck. 4 of them. Threaded tube here and here, and then I'll thread into the top of it to mount it in that corner. Got to find an aluminum or a stainless steel tube to fit over here, which I think is about 3/4 inch ID. And I shall use the same tube length to support my drinks table in the cockpit area. Another job is the Autohelm. Here it's just been sprayed black for uniformity, but this was actually quite a big job. I had to find another engagement lever. See the lever there? Drill and tap it to accept some screws which can hold it in place. These are temporary ones, but getting the position of the D again was quite difficult, but that job is now done. I'm going to try and tack with the Autohelm. I've got to do a roundabout, so if you look at the wind angle right now, I've got to get on the other side of the wind. So that is 60 times 2 is 120, which means if I hit the minus 10 degrees 12 times, and I just handle the Lola Reef and Genoa, it should take us around there. It's going to be a little bit rapid, but that's okay. Okay, we're going to go. I'm going to put the camera here. Let's see what happens. 12 times on the 10 degrees. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Undo this sail. Autohelm should take us and we're now at 60 degrees the other way. That's great. Wow, it is so much easier. Don't know if you saw that, but just click that 120, which is 12 times, and it put me on the other side of the wind. A little bit tight, but let's see how it handles. We'll go from there. Okay, so we've just finished putting new hose from the toilet exit to the holding tank over here. All went pretty smooth. Couldn't get a double clamp on. It's not really necessary on something that is not through hull. So yeah, it was a successful job. two hoses, one from the holding tank to the lower shut-off valve, and then there's another one through there that goes all the way through to the toilet heads over there. And it works fine. I've now got to do another one that goes from the suck out, pump out, which is there. You can see that's kind of dark, and it goes all the way through to the bottom of the holding tank over there. So another job complete.
Well, everything been going fine. You're going fine, going fine. Because she's mine, the one and only. And I ain't going nowhere.
So here's the original diesel fuel pump that came with the boat back in 1984. They're very hard to find, but you can get a hold of the kits. This was rebuilt last year, July the 20th, when the engine was being installed. The kit is a 300-714S kit. This is a Warbler 12 volt 2401 fuel pump. You cannot buy them anymore. There's lots of more expensive replacements, but typically they're very reliable. The solenoid never really fails. You buy the kit that creates the suction, the vacuum and the pressure, and it's got little built-in filters for large debris. This one is ready to go on. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Undo this sail. And the Autohelm should take us to